How to fix iPhone mobile full storage problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone's full storage problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find General. Tap on it and there you should find iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage. After you've done that, you can then scroll down. There you will see your apps. From here, you can simply offload any apps that you want. What offloading does is that it will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep its documents and datas. So you can reinstall the app whenever you want later on. You can offload the apps or simply delete the app that you have not yet used. Tap on this size option and tap on last used date. Now this will show you the apps that you have used recently and the apps that you have not used in a really long time. So you can scroll down all the way to find the apps that you have not used. So that's one way. And now you can head over to the iPhone storage on the top. There you will see recently deleted album. You can empty that from here as well, and as you can see, it will allow me to save up to 36.72 GB. Similarly, there are different recommendations as well. You can tap on show all and you can see offload unused apps that I just said earlier and iCloud photos as well. And that's basically how you can fix your full storage problem in iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.